Looking for a farmhouse sink but nervous about making the wrong choice? Let's be real. Cracks, chips, tricky installation, and poor drainage can quickly turn your dream kitchen into a disaster zone. But don't worry, we've done the research to help you avoid those headaches. Here's an honest look at the top 5 farmhouse sinks so you can confidently choose the perfect one for your home. Check out the links in the description below and let's dive in. At number 5, we have the Sarlai 30-inch Fireclay farmhouse sink, a true standout for any kitchen upgrade. This sink is expertly crafted from natural fireclay and fired at an incredible 2,900-degree Fahrenheit, ensuring it's not just beautiful, but built to last. Its ultra-durable design resists heat and scratches, making it a reliable choice for even the busiest kitchen. The spacious 10-inch deep bowl is perfect for tackling your largest pots, pans, and baking sheets without the mess of splashes. Its ultra-smooth enamel finish is more than just attractive. It's engineered to resist yellowing, fading, and wear over time, keeping your sink looking like new. Plus, the rounded corners are a thoughtful touch, making cleaning effortless by reducing grime buildup in hard-to-reach spots. What makes this sink even more practical is its reversible design, giving you options to suit your kitchen layout. The double-layer ceramic construction adds noise reduction, so washing dishes is quieter, and the sloped bottom ensures water drains efficiently, keeping your sink free from pooling and wobbling dishes. Things to consider. Some users report that installation can be a bit challenging, especially when adjusting to cabinet sizes. Its weight requires additional support, so accurate measurements are essential. Also, while shipping issues are rare, inspecting your sink on arrival is a good practice to ensure it's in perfect condition. At number 4, we proudly present the KOHLER K6487 Farmhouse Sink, a classic choice for kitchens that need both style and durability. Crafted from premium cast iron, this sink is built to last, effortlessly handling daily wear and tear while maintaining its beauty. Its non-porous enamel surface not only adds a brilliant shine, but also makes cleanup easy, saving you time and effort. What sets this sink apart? The self-trimming design simplifies installation, fitting seamlessly into standard base cabinets without requiring major modifications. This feature is a real time saver for those tackling home improvement projects. The spacious single-bowl layout is a dream for busy kitchens, comfortably accommodating oversized pots, pans, and bakeware. One of the standout features of the KOHLER K6487 is its sound-absorbing build, which minimizes noise from running water and clattering dishes, keeping your kitchen peaceful. And let's not forget its timeless apron front design, which adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen style, whether modern or traditional. Things to keep in mind. The cast iron construction makes this sink significantly heavier than other options, so strong structural support is a must during installation. While the white enamel finish is stunning, it's more prone to showing water spots and scratches than darker finishes, so regular maintenance is essential to keep it looking fresh and flawless. Coming in at number 3, we have the Lordear 36-inch Farmhouse Sink, a standout for anyone looking for professional-grade features without blowing the budget. Crafted from 16-gauge T304 stainless steel, this sink combines remarkable strength with a sleek, modern design, making it a perfect fit for contemporary kitchens. What really makes this sink special? The unique X-shaped water guide enhances drainage speed, so water flows quickly and efficiently. Plus, the R10 corner radius makes cleaning a breeze. No more scrubbing away at stubborn grime in tight corners. With a 10-inch depth, you can easily handle large pots and pans, while the high sides keep splashes contained, ensuring your countertop stays clean. But there's more. This sink boasts an impressive 36-inch width, giving you a ton of workspace whether you're prepping meals, washing dishes, or tackling a big cleanup. To make installation even easier, it comes with a full installation kit, including a bottom grid and cutout template. Everything you need is right there, saving you time and hassle. Things to consider. The stainless steel finish does show water spots and fingerprints more easily, so keeping it clean requires a bit of maintenance. Some users have mentioned that the included drain assembly could be of better quality, and the large size might not be ideal for smaller kitchens or cabinets. What do you think about this spacious and functional design? Got any questions or tips to share? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to check the links in the description for more details. In second place, we have the Kraus KHU 132 Standart Pro Kitchen Sink, a sink that brings together professional-grade quality and everyday practicality in one sleek package. If you're looking for a sink that doesn't just perform but also looks great in your kitchen, this 16-gauge stainless steel beauty is a standout choice. The undermount design creates a seamless transition from your countertop to the sink, making cleanup a breeze. No more struggling with hard-to-reach corners. What makes this sink stand out? It features a commercial-grade satin finish that resists scratches and corrosion, outperforming standard models. The thoughtful channel grooves and sloped bottom ensure that water drains efficiently, keeping your sink free from standing water. And let's not forget those rounded corners, which make cleaning up spills and grime so much easier than traditional sharp-edged sinks. Here's the real bonus. The included accessories are a game changer. The protective bottom grid keeps your sink scratch-free, while the sturdy drain assembly comes with a durable strainer basket, adding even more value to an already fantastic sink. Things to consider. The surface may show water spots in hard water areas, so you may need to spend a little extra time maintaining its shine. Some users also mention that the included mounting hardware may not be suitable for certain countertop materials. Additionally, the depth of the sink may be challenging for shorter individuals, especially during cleanup. Taking the top spot is the Ruvati Fireclay Farmhouse sink, a perfect blend of stunning design and long-lasting durability. If you're on the hunt for a sink that makes a bold statement while standing up to the test of time, look no further. This Italian-made masterpiece is handcrafted by skilled artisans and fired at an impressive 2,900 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's tough enough to handle daily wear and tear without compromising its beauty. Why is it a favorite? The reversible design gives you ultimate flexibility. Choose between a sleek, smooth finish or a decorative fluted front to match your kitchen's vibe. With its 33-inch width and 9-inch depth, it's spacious enough to handle everything from meal prep to cleanup with ease, providing the perfect balance of practicality and elegance. But there's even more to love. The proprietary enamel surface is built to resist chips, scratches, and household chemicals. Plus, it stands strong against high temperatures and acids, making it ideal for those busy kitchen tasks. The included stainless steel bottom grid and basket strainer add additional functionality and protection, ensuring your sink stays in top shape for years to come. Things to consider. The 1-inch thick bottom may require an extended flange for garbage disposal installation. Some users recommend adding extra support due to its weight, and while the bright white finish is stunning, it may show water spots more easily than darker finishes. Found your dream sink? Let us know in the comments which one caught your eye. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check the description for links to these sinks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.